Today we're going to look at multiple accounts and point of view in terms of informational text. When someone has an opinion or a claim, they might not always agree, and so we need to look at how do we go from different points of view to put something together so that you can make your own choices. So the two secure skills we have are describe the point of view in each account and compare and contrast the points of view. We're beginning skills of determining how the author distinguished his position from that of others and analyze how to respond to counterclaims, which would be what someone else thinks that doesn't agree with your opinion. So the vocab to know is counterclaim, a claim made that shows the other side of the argument. And we're going to look at two sides of should the school switch to solar energy. So board member number one. Board member one says, the school should install solar panels to create the energy that the school needs. Solar energy is a renewable energy resource, and we can never run out of it. The sun will be with us for another 6.5 billion years, according to NASA. Solar energy is abundant. There is 2,000 that amount from sunlight that we could use for there's 2,000 times that amount of sunlight than we can use for the entire world. Solar energy is environmentally friendly. Solar panels creating energy do not usually cause pollution. However, the making of the panels themselves does create a small amount of pollution. It is a fraction compared to the traditional energy sources. Switching to solar will save the school money. If the school generates enough energy, the extra energy can be even sold to other consumers. So if we summarize this point of view, very simply, it says the school should switch to solar energy to help the environment and save money. He gave more points. We're just summarizing it quickly. Looking at the second board member, the school should not install solar panels to create the energy that the school needs. The solar energy is expensive. It will cost us too much to install all the panels and replace our equipment. Solar energy is not dependable because it is an intermittent energy source. What will we do if there's a week of cloudy, rainy days? We would need to have a second way to provide energy for the school. Two systems are more expensive than one. There is still pollution with solar energy. The manufacturing plants release nitrogen trifluoride, which is a fancy name for damaging gas. No form of energy is pollution-free. So if we summarize this point of view, we would say the school should not spend money on solar panels because they don't really work or save energy. So what we're going to look at here is now that we've summarized both points of view, we're going to compare and contrast them. So if we look at both of them, they both want to do what's right for the school. They both want to provide energy and not waste any money. So board member one feels that solar panels are good for the environment, and he thinks that the school can sell the extra energy. Where board member two doesn't believe that solar panels are really any better for the environment and doesn't believe that solar panels are dependable. So we can look at this. They're both talking about the same topic. They have different points. And you can look at the numbers and facts up above that were provided and decide who you feel is the more reliable board member.